Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best auto hat heat press machines that are available on the market for their true quality. These heat press machines are perfect for anyone looking to create custom hats, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or running a small business. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Giraffe Auto Hat Heat Press Machine. This model stands out for its automatic open and release feature, which ensures your projects are never overpressed. It's a fantastic option for those who want a hands-free experience. Once the timer runs out, the machine automatically lifts the heating plate, so you don't have to babysit your creations. Its knob-style control panel is intuitive and lets you adjust temperature and time with precision. The build quality is robust, featuring a curved heating plate designed to accommodate multiple hat styles, including trucker hats, visors, and snapbacks. The non-stick coating on the heating element ensures your materials won't stick or scorch. However, the lack of interchangeable platen sizes may limit versatility compared to other models on this list. It's a reliable choice for casual users or those working on smaller-scale projects. While the Giraffe machine offers a great user experience, its price is currently unavailable, making it harder to gauge its value. If you can find it at a fair price, it's a good pick for beginners who want a straightforward, hands-free solution. Pros include its auto-release function and easy-to-use controls. On the downside, it lacks some of the advanced customization features found in higher-ranked options. Coming in at number 4 is the AKI DIY 3-in-1 Auto Hat Heat Press Machine. This machine is a versatile option, equipped with 3 interchangeable platens to fit a variety of hat sizes and styles. It's designed for both beginners and experienced users, offering a user-friendly touchscreen control panel where you can easily set precise temperature and time settings. The automatic open and release function ensures that your projects are consistently well-pressed without overdoing it. The build quality is commendable, with an aluminum plate coated in Teflon to provide even heating and reduce maintenance. It delivers up to 130 kilograms of pressing force, which ensures wrinkle-free transfers. The included accessories, like a white cap, gloves, and heat-resistant tape, make it a great value for those just starting out. However, with fewer customer reviews and limited availability, it's a bit harder to judge long-term reliability. This model is ideal for users who want versatility and ease of use, especially for varied hat styles like bucket hats and baseball caps. Pros include its 3-in-1 design and beginner-friendly features. However, the lack of a published price may be a drawback for those who want to stay within a specific budget. At number 3, we have the HGV Ront Hat Press Machine. This model is perfect for those seeking a professional-grade heat press with a compact design. It features 2 interchangeable platens, accommodating 99% of hat shapes without creases, thanks to its improved curvature. The standout feature is its cast aluminum heating plate, which heats quickly and distributes heat evenly for consistent results. This makes it ideal for high-volume production runs or intricate designs. The machine is equipped with a digital display for precise temperature and time control. Its 4-bar linkage mechanism ensures smooth operation, while silicone suction cups keep the machine stable during use. Safety features like an automatic shutdown and a timer alert add an extra layer of reliability. The sleek, portable design makes it easy to transport, whether you're working from home or attending craft fairs. This model is best suited for small business owners or serious hobbyists who need a reliable and efficient hat press. Pros include its even heat distribution, stability, and safety features. On the downside, it's slightly heavier than other options, which might make it less convenient for those constantly on the go. At number 2, we have the Vever 3-in-1 Auto Hat Heat Press Machine, which is our pick for the best budget-friendly option. Priced at just $119.90, it offers great value for its features. The 3-in-1 design provides 3 interchangeable platens, making it adaptable for various hat styles. The knob-style digital control panel is simple, yet effective, allowing users to set precise temperature and time settings with ease. The machine's aluminum heating plate is coated with Teflon to ensure even heat distribution and reduce wear. It also features an automatic release function, so the heating plate lifts automatically when the timer ends, freeing your hands for multitasking. The Vever press is beginner-friendly and heats up quickly, making it a great choice for both personal and small business use. This model is ideal for those on a budget who still want quality and versatility. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and interchangeable platens. However, it does lack some advanced features, like memory modes, found in higher-priced models. Overall, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking to start their hat press journey without breaking the bank. Finally, at number 1, we have the GochiFix Auto Hat Heat Press Machine. This premium option, priced at $134.90, is packed with advanced features that make it a top choice for professionals and dedicated hobbyists. With its automatic open and release function, you can multitask without worrying about overpressing. The ceramic-coated aluminum plate heats evenly and quickly, ensuring flawless transfers every time. The machine offers 4 memory modes, allowing you to save your preferred settings for different projects. This feature is a huge time saver for those who frequently work with varied designs and materials. The adjustable hat stretcher ensures a snug fit and wrinkle-free results, even on more challenging hat styles. Safety features like a built-in fuse and anti-slip pads make this model both reliable and user-friendly. The GochiFix is ideal for small business owners and serious crafters who demand efficiency and high-quality results. Pros include its memory modes, safety features, and professional-grade performance. The only downside is its slightly higher price, but for what it offers, it's worth every penny. If you're looking for the best hat heat press on the market, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.